You pay your card off every month. You've never missed a bill. You keep a solid cushion in savings, just in case. And you're still years behind where you could be. That's not because you did something wrong. It's because you stopped at the first finish line you found. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about why responsible people stay stuck. Here's the thing. The habits that get you out of trouble aren't the same habits that build wealth. Most people never make the switch. Take your emergency fund. Smart to build one. But if you're sitting on a year of expenses in a savings account, that extra cash isn't protecting you anymore. It's quietly losing value to inflation every single month. Or debt. Paying off a low-interest loan aggressively feels responsible. But if your employer matches your 401k and you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you're walking past free money to pay down debt that was never actually urgent. Now you might be thinking, investing still feels risky. Here's what most people miss. Staying in cash for 10 or 20 years isn't safe. It's just a slower way of losing. Being responsible got you here. It won't get you further. The next step is less comfortable. Putting your money to work instead of just protecting it. This week, check one thing. Are you overcushioned? Undermatched? Sitting in cash too long? Pick the one that's true and fix just that one thing. This content is for educational purposes only and is not personalized financial advice. Being careful was never the problem. Stopping there was. Subscribe to Savvy Investor for more videos on money, investing, and long-term wealth.